Two-factor authentication 2FA adds an extra layer of security to your AST financial account. Follow these steps to enable 2FA and protect your financial information. Step 1. Log into your account. Access the AST financial website and enter your login credentials to sign into your account. Step 2. Navigate to security settings. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now is honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Find two-factor authentication option. Within the security settings, search for the two-factor authentication option. This may be listed as enable 2FA or two-step verification. Step 4. Choose your 2FA method. Select your preferred method for receiving the second factor of authentication. Options may include SMS text messages, email, or an authentication app like Google Authenticator. Step 5. Complete the setup. Follow the prompts to complete the setup process. This may involve entering a verification code sent to your chosen method and confirming your selection. By following these steps, you can successfully enable two-factor authentication on your AST financial account, enhancing your security and protecting your personal information.